Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2012 Mercedes-Benz SLS. This car came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing any scratches or dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the driver door. This door is in perfect condition. I do not see any dents or scratches. Okay, now let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. And this quarter panel looks fine. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. The trunk is in excellent condition. I do not see any scratches or paint chips. And also the back bumper is fine as well. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks fine. I do not see any dents or scratches. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the passenger door. This door looks fine. I'm not seeing any dents or scratches on it at all. And now the last fender and wheel looks perfect. Do not see any scratches on the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. First, we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. And now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the center console. Perfect. Everything in here looks good. Let's have a look at the radio. This car does have navigation and backup camera. Let's move on to the steering wheel. The steering wheel buttons are in excellent condition. Let's have a look around the steering wheel. Perfect. Let's take a look at the door panel. Everything here looks fine. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now let's have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.